unfolding the deck, understanding, throw in your hand. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in both casual and formal English conversations: throw in your hand. Understanding idiomatic expressions like this is crucial for mastering the nuances of the English language. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily interactions. Get ready to add another expression to your linguistic arsenal. Throw in your hand is an idiomatic expression derived from card games, particularly poker. In such games, to throw in your hand means to give up, to admit defeat, or to acknowledge that you cannot win the current round. By extension, in everyday English, it signifies someone giving up or withdrawing from a competition, task, or discussion, acknowledging that they cannot or do not want to continue. This phrase has its roots in the world of card games, where players have a hand of cards. Throwing these cards in, typically onto the table, signals that a player is bowing out of the game. Over time, this concept found its way into general language to describe the act of surrender or cessation of effort in various contexts, not just games. In terms of usage, it's often applied in scenarios where someone decides to stop competing or participating in something due to the realization of inevitable defeat or the judgment that continuing is futile or not worth the effort. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some examples of how throw in your hand can be used in sentences. After months of struggling to keep the business afloat, Jenna finally decided to throw in her hand and close the shop. The debate team, realizing they were unprepared for the arguments presented by their opponents, threw in their hand before the final round. Faced with insurmountable evidence during the negotiation, the company had no choice but to throw in their hand and agree to the terms. These examples illustrate the versatility of the phrase in expressing surrender, withdrawal, or acceptance of defeat across various situations. Understanding idiomatic expressions like throw in your hand not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the cultural nuances that make English such a vibrant and dynamic language. We hope this exploration has shed light on this interesting phrase, enabling you to use it confidently in your conversations and writings. Keep immersing yourself in the language. And don't hesitate to throw in your hand when you need a break, but always pick up where you left off. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.